What's going on, Pixel Hackers? Christian Lovrecich from PixlFeed here. And in this video, we're going to go over Facebook ads creative testing and my personal favorite, the Facebook ads creative stack. A way to keep everything organized and always know where all your creatives are at. But before we get started, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive right in.
All right, so let's talk about creatives and how important creatives are when it comes to Facebook ads and marketing in general. You should always be testing all types of creatives, whether they're images, carousel collections, videos, all that good stuff. So when you're growing an account and you have tons and tons of campaigns, let's say you have a campaign with, 300 ad sets, and you have, 20 campaigns running at the same time. When you're constantly rotating new images and new videos, as you should be doing at all times, it's going to get out of control, and it's easy to lose track of all those creatives because Facebook hasn't really designed a way to keep all your creatives in one place and being able to grab them and then moving on to your campaigns. So one of the things that I came up with, and some of my colleagues, is this thing that we call a creative sandbox or a creative stack. And what we do is we build a campaign that's never running, it's off, right? And that's where we keep all of our creatives. There's two reasons why we do this. One, that way we can always find our creatives no matter what, right? We always know where they're at. You don't have to go digging through a million different campaigns or a different million ad sets to find that winning ad set, right? And two, you can grab the post ID because it's already been published. And then when you launch the new campaign, all you have to do is just fill in that post ID like we usually do when we create a new campaign. You know, when you're creating a new campaign and you go to the ad level where you're supposed to load your new video, your new picture, if you click on there, there's actually a little section, I'll show it to you, where you can actually put the post ID. So let me show you an example here. So here's a creative sandbox, and we click in here, and it's going to be my ad set or whatever. It's off, right? And then I go in here, and for this account, all of my creatives are here, just in one place. And as you guys can see, I'm testing everything from video to images and all that good stuff, right? Now, what you do from here is you can just literally click on any of them, hit preview, then you go to Facebook posts with comments right here, right? And if you look at the URL, your post ID is going to be right here. So you're going to copy that post ID, right? And then if you need to create a new creative, you click create. And it's going to bring this up. And we'll just do test right here. Save to draft. And there's another random account that I work on. And then this is what I'm talking about. You just go in here to use existing post, and you click right there, and then it's going to give you the little option right here to put your post ID. And you will go in here, and you Control V, paste, click submit, and it will load the new creative for you. So why is it so important that you're constantly testing different creatives? It's very important because, as you can see in this account, I mean, look at this. I have video, I have images, I have everything going on that I always tell you guys that you should be testing at all times. Here, let me go back to ad set so I can single it out. Where'd it go? There you go. And then you guys can see, let's use this one. Like, for example, look at that. Most people have this idea that Facebook favors video, and that used to be the case. Video used to perform a lot better than images, than carousel, than collections. But like, for example, on this one, my best performing ad is an image. This is an image, right? My three best performing ads on this one are images. Image, image, image. And then the one video, it's barely getting any purchases at all. So this is why it's so important to have your creative stack that you can always, always, always keep adding onto it and keep testing new stuff. And when you find that post ID that's working or it's like bringing the best results, you keep using that post ID on brand new campaigns, and you keep stacking it and stacking it and stacking it. And that's how you're going to build all your social proof, because that social proof is going to carry over from that one single post. Every single campaign you create, whether it's conversions, engagement, traffic, if people comment on it and like it and engage with it, if you drive all that traffic to the same post ID, all that social proof will keep stacking, and it will give you a higher social value. It will make people want to buy. It's that old, saying that it's, if your friends jump off the bridge, you're going to jump off the bridge as well. Well, guess what? A lot of people see that a lot of people interacting with the post and commenting on it. They're more willing to trend. Have you thought, just create a political post on your Facebook, newsfeed and your organic and your personal account about the elections coming up, and the engagement will go crazy. And when people see that engagement, it attracts them to it, and they're more willing to they're more likely to take action, whether it's to buy or engage with that post, which benefits you either way, because if they engage with it, that means your ad costs are going to go down. So always, 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 to keep organized, build one campaign, call it your creative stack or your creative sandbox, just one ad set, and just create all your ads, images, videos, all that stuff, publish them, keep the campaign off. And when you're launching, just grab that post ID and keep creating campaigns that way.
Guys, if you like that video, make sure to click the links in the description below. Help support the channel. And if you want to keep taking your Facebook ads to the next level, make sure to click one of the videos right above me. And I will see you guys in the next video.